Tired of bid wars and overheated markets? Welcome, it's your trusted real estate sensei, here to unveil another secret of successful property investing. Today, we're unraveling the mysteries behind empty nesters and their potential in your investment portfolio. Are you ready to discover a hidden market? Let's get started. Understanding empty nesters. Empty nesters are homeowners whose children have grown and moved out. Imagine a home that once echoed with laughter and footsteps, now quiet and waiting for its next chapter. These homeowners are often looking to downsize, and that's where you, the astute investor, come into play. Motivations for selling. Why do empty nesters sell? They're seeking convenience, a reduction in home maintenance, and often a closer proximity to amenities. They might also be looking for a climate-friendly environment or a place with a vibrant community of peers. Understanding these motivations is crucial in presenting yourself as the ideal buyer. Effective communication tips. Communication with empty nesters should be thoughtful and respectful. Here are some insightful questions. 1. What aspects of your home have brought you the most joy? This question helps you understand what they value. 2. In your new home, what amenities are you looking forward to? Shows that you're interested in their future happiness. 3. Are there any particular concerns about selling that I can help you with? Demonstrates your role as a helpful partner in this process. The Hendersons story. Take the Hendersons, for example. They sold their sprawling ranch house to downsize into a cozy cottage by the lake, perfect for their retirement. This move allowed them to focus on hobbies and spend more time with their grandchildren, while the investor who facilitated the sale acquired a well-maintained property in a desirable neighborhood. Advantages for investors. Empty nesters' properties are often gems in the real estate market. These homes are usually in established areas, well cared for, and full of potential. They can be great for families or as part of a rental portfolio. Additionally, since many empty nesters own their homes outright, transactions can be more straightforward. Finding opportunities. To locate these opportunities, conduct research to identify neighborhoods with a high percentage of older residents. Network at community events and connect with local retirement communities. Building a reputation as a respectful and reliable investor in these circles can lead to numerous opportunities. Case study: the Bakers' transition. Consider the Bakers, who after their kids moved out, decided to sell their 4-bedroom home. They were looking for a smaller, more manageable space. An investor like you stepped in, offering a fair price and a seamless selling process. The Bakers moved to a modern townhouse, reducing their upkeep while enjoying new amenities. For the investor, this meant acquiring a property with a strong history and great potential for appreciation. Build lasting relationships. Developing long-term relationships with empty nesters can be highly rewarding. Offer ongoing support and check in periodically after the sale. This approach not only builds trust, but also opens doors for future referrals and repeat business. In conclusion, tapping into the empty nester market can be a smart move for savvy real estate investors. By understanding their needs and providing tailored solutions, you can unlock a world of opportunities. If this episode enlightened you, smash that like button, hit subscribe, and share your thoughts or questions in the comments below. Stay informed, stay engaged, and keep growing your real estate empire. Until next time, this is your real estate sensei, guiding you to success.